What's up YouTube? It is your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. All that does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my videos to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And for today's video, we are back again. If you can see to my left, I have Pops here, so you know what that means. We are reviewing another sneaker store, and today's sneaker store is Atl Addiction, located in the Sugarloaf Mills Mall. Let's see what they have to offer. Alright guys, so we are in Atl Addictions right now, checking out the selection. They have a ton of hype sneakers, a ton of sizes and everything. This is a little dope area right here where they have clothing. They have some vintage, Supreme. The dope thing about here is that they keep everything in bags. That's one thing that most sneaker stores don't do, is put the clothing in bags so it protects it. I really do like that fact that they do that. And then they have their version of their little heat closet right here where they have all their hype stuff. Everything ranging from 500 to 5,000. You got the Dior's, you got the Florida PEs, you have all the Paul Rodriguez, Cactus Plant Flea Market Dunks, all Travis, everything like that. Off-white section in the first cage. And then as we turn around right here, you see you have the sneaker wall, a range of sizes, colors, models. And it's dope how they have the section off. So they have Jordans on this left-hand side, Jordan 1s, and they're in number order too. So Jordan 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, yada yada yada. Then they have Dunks coming up right here in the middle, and then more Nike stuff. Then right around here we have Reebok, Adidas, New Balance, and then right here this lock section right here we have all Yeezys, ranging from foam runners to 700s to 350s to slides. So decent selection. Definitely like this store. Amazing lighting, cool vibe. Staff is super friendly. And then one dope feature that sets Atl Addictions apart is all their Supreme accessories. So they have a ton of Supreme accessories, ranging from cups to mugs to bricks, baseball mask, lighters, Zippos, and just all the toys and accessories. Right here, some more Supreme accessories. You have the tennis balls, you have the Supreme sign, you have mugs, hoodies. Right here we have some band-aids, dice, slippers, a whole bunch of Supreme accessories. That's one thing that a lot of stores don't really have, is all the Supreme accessories. I really do like that fact. And then right above that, we have all the Supreme skateboard decks. So if you're ever in Sugarloaf Mills Malls, make sure to check out Atl Addictions. It is on the side of the AMC movie theater. Tons of selections, tons of heat. Once we get out of here, me and my pops will give you a rating let you guys know what we think about the store. And unfortunately, they weren't buying today. I did bring in the Yeezy 350 Belugas, so we weren't able to make a deal here. I asked if they were willing to trade or buy. They said tomorrow, but we're not going to be coming back here. So we'll take the 350s to another store and see what they can do for me. Alright guys, so we just left Atl Addictions and we're going to give our final ratings and let you guys know what we thought about the store. So for me, I thought the store was great. Nice selection, has a different variety of different shoes, different sizes. That's one thing I like. I don't like when a store has just the same shoe in different sizes, or maybe just the shoe but one size. They have multiple sizing in different shoes. I like the selection that they have between cheap and expensive shoes. They have shoes that range between 200, 300, all the way up to 5 to 10,000. Nice selection of clothing. The vibe was nice. I like the lighting. The store looked good. Staff was nice, but not inviting and as welcoming as other stores. So I'm gonna ding them right there. And personally, I didn't see anything that I wanted to pick up. And they didn't want to buy my Yeezy 350 Belugas today. They said come back tomorrow. I don't know what the math is with that, buying it today versus tomorrow. But they weren't buying today. So I'm going to give them a 8.9. Not right there to that 9 level. Went 8.9. They could have improved on a couple things. My favorite part is all the Supreme accessories. If you're looking for Supreme accessories, rare ones, that is your store to go to. Supreme skate decks, they have all of that. It is a great store. I definitely do recommend going there. Selection is good. Staff was friendly. All over, an 8.9. That's what I'm going to give it in my book.
I agree with everything that you say. My rating on that from 1 to 10, I would say 8.7.
So far you like versus ATL the best. That was the one we went to by Mercedes-Benz.
The vintage room.
The vintage room. This man's in love with the vintage room. I guess you like that. And I guess the staff was very friendly, a lot more talkative. These guys were nice. They asked me if I need any help. But after that, they weren't as showing, as inviting as the other stores were. But like I said, overall, great store. Definitely do recommend it if you are in the Sugarloaf Mills area. It's a great shop. It is on the side where the AMC movie theater is, closer to Dave & Buster's and all that stuff. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are posting new videos every single day, so you don't want to miss out on any of that content. Make sure to check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Potato Chip. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And this might be one of the last videos I do with Pops on the sneaker store review side. So make sure you drop a comment down below saying thanks Pops for coming by, showing us love, giving good reviews with us.
And I haven't got paid yet, so I'm waiting to get paid.
Hey, you know what it is. Hit that subscribe button so my dad can get paid. That's going to be the new logo. Hit that. Peace, guys.
Later.